Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
One smart cat. Long ago, Jaguar had a problem. He had strong muscles, sharp claws, and sharp teeth, but he didn't know how to use them well. He was a poor hunter, so he was always hungry. Finally, Jaguar asked Cat for help. He had noticed that although Cat was smaller than Jaguar, he always had plenty to eat. "Please, Cat," he begged, "teach me some of your tricks. Then I will be a skillful hunter like you." Cat thought this over, then replied, "Yes, Jaguar, I will help you, but you must be prepared to practice hard every day." Jaguar agreed. The hunting lessons began. One by one, Cat taught Jaguar his tricks. Jaguar learned to creep up silently behind his prey. He learned to keep his teeth and claws sharp as knives. He learned to hide still as moss on a tree branch. Finally, Jaguar learned to jump. For many days, Cat and Jaguar practiced jumping. Cat would jump forward, then Jaguar would jump forward. Cat would jump to the side, then Jaguar would jump to the side. Finally, Jaguar was as good a jumper as Cat. Then Cat said to Jaguar, "You have learned well. Our lessons are over." "Aha," thought Jaguar. "I no longer need Cat. I shall eat him, and no one will ever know that this little animal had to teach me how to hunt." As quick as lightning, Jaguar leaped forward, thinking to land on Cat. But just as quickly, Cat jumped backward, and Jaguar landed flat on his face. Jaguar let out a yowl. "You never taught me how to jump backward," he cried. Cat laughed. "If I had, I wouldn't be alive right now. I saved this one trick for myself." Jaguar is still a good hunter, but to this day, he has never learned to jump backward.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.